Alright, welcome back everybody. It's been a couple weeks since I've been able to get to work on the 52 here. Just wanted to just kind of go through and clean out the trunk. And I started the video and apparently I didn't press record. So I got most of the stuff out of the trunk right now. But let me show you what the trunk looks like. So, a little bit of rust. The rubber mat here, let me show you this. And that was a rubber mat. It's just that dry rotted. Got the spare tire out. It kind of looks pretty good. I mean, I wouldn't drive on it or anything like that, but as far as an original tire, pretty much. Oh, it looks like it was a recap. There's a seam right here, or a retread. How about that? That is interesting. Couple of there's a few rat's nests in here, so here's what I pulled out. Pulled out the rat's nest. Got the jack, original jack for it. I think the spring that holds the jack in. Here's some other things that were interesting. The cardboard. So got some old potato sacks here. This one's more interesting of them here. So American Farmer potatoes from Eastville, Virginia. And then there's more potato sacks in there. That. Also got some old tire chains. Looks like, let's see if that's one set. Yeah, one complete set of snow chains on there. So, earlier today, got this old engine analyzer out. Just gonna try it on the 65 there. Only thing I could get working today was the timing light, because this takes 3 C batteries. Luckily, the ones that were in here weren't corroded. They came out okay. I just got to find 3 C batteries. I don't keep C batteries around. But the trunk, oh, I want to show you here underneath the trunk. Look how good the paint is on the underneath here. All that's real good. Really shows you the original color of the paint. So what I want to do next is, let me get a screwdriver and just kind of take these panels out here just to see if there's anything behind there. Clean out if there's a rat's nest, because this in the trunk was the only place I've seen a rat's nest. Guess I found easier to find ways to get into the trunk than anywhere else. So let me stop the video, get a screwdriver, and take care of that. Okay, let's see here. There's one screw here. Thankfully it's not rusted in. Got a little washer on it. Let's see if there's any other screws. Don't appear to be. Okay. Yeah, so there's a rat's nest there. One right here. Alright, so this is good. I was able to see, I've always wondered how the wires were run, so it looks like they run here. They go up into this body panel there. One comes through back here. I don't know what that back one, I don't know what that one does. And of course they run underneath here. Of course this is all, you know, when I rewire the car. It appears the molding here has got some bolts on the inside of it here. So the side molding is held on with bolts. It's for your fuel filter, fuel line there. And wonder what this is here. That's just some stuff kind of stuffed up in there. I wonder if it went like that originally. So, alright, this cardboard is in really, really good condition. Hasn't been warped or anything like that. Let's see about this one on this side. What's behind here? way across. That one over there does. Let's see if I can get this. Don't want to tear it here. Over that. Yeah, let me set this, prop this. There, I'm not holding it. Alright, it's pretty clean back here. There's a couple of something here. Lead weight. There's no rat's nest here. There's another one of those things that's over there, kind of insulation thing. So just gonna set this back in place. And this cardboard here is pretty good condition as well. So, and then cardboard behind the back seat here is just held in with a couple tabs that are bent up. I'm not gonna mess with that right now. I'll just leave it be. So really need to get a small broom or something and get all the small stuff out of here that I can before getting the shop vac down here. Took it back up next door, so but a lot of this stuff, I said, these things here are just breaking worse than a vinyl record. So, but there you have it. That's the junk that was in the trunk. So if I put these back in so I don't lose the screws for it, that was to hold the tire down through there. So that's what's in the trunk. Had somebody comment on one of the videos about wanting to see longer videos, more of me doing stuff with it, the car. So let me know in the comments what you want to see. Do you like the 5-6 minute videos, or do you want to see 20-minute, 30-minute videos of complete processes going through everything on this? I know there's a lot of other people that are doing stuff with 52 Chevys, and I really didn't want to repeat the same thing everybody else was doing. Just kind of documenting what I'm doing with this car. If I see somebody else is doing something and I get the process from them, I'll tag them in a video and say, hey, this is where I learned this one from. But let me know in the comments on that, and hopefully I can get back on to working on this a little more each week. This brief break I had to take for it, but thanks for watching. Make sure you just subscribe to the channel, and like the videos, and put your comments in about the length of the video. Let me know what you want to watch. Thanks.